This bed is perfect. This frame is perfect. I am showing you the bed with two mattresses on it because I like my bed to be high. So the bad thing about that is I guess you're missing the headboard. I just chose to kind of create it with my pillows, but let me show you the headboard. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is that velvety material. This is the black color. I just love it. If you want it without the two mattresses, let me show you kind of what it looks like. So if you really, really want that headboard to show, you can kind of play around with your pillows and try to figure that out. But I chose to just go with the two. This is the bottom piece. It's really velvety. Again, it's super easy to clean. We've had this for over, I'd say about a year and a half. It's really solid. Those slats, when you put it together, are wooden, but it's just really nice, super easy to clean. It's just velvety. I just love this purchase. So if you're thinking about this bed, it looks good with two mattresses, or if you just want to use one for that more, I don't know,